Baba, bekusaqala isikhathi sakho nje kancane. Baba, uyazi ukuthi sengiqedile ngevarsity and sengikhulile manje. But into esengirealizile baba nge-university ukuthi isengifundise kakhulu on the technical stuff. And ayingifundisanga about i-history yami. Kuthi ngiphumaphi, ngivelaphi baba as a black person. My struggle, yonke lokho kwabanzi baba nge-history yami angikwazi. Nangumndeni wami angazi lutho baba ngoba asikhulumi ngakho. Ngale mali yaNSFAS engiyitholayo baba, ngikwazile ngasaver up, ngavula i-PPMO profile for you baba ukuthi uyisebenzise. Leyo PPMO profile izokusiza i-generating knowledge, especially to us, i-youth baba, esingazi lutho kakhulu nge-history yethu as black people, ukuthi sivelaphi, ama-cultures ethu, usiko lethu, ama-values, ama-rituals, yonke lonto baba, esingakwazi lokho abangasifundisi khona evarsity. Baba lana angidingi i-PhD yakho, angidingi i-masters yakho. All I want is knowledge yakho baba. Valuable ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngizazi as umuntu omnyama ukuthi ngiphumaphi. So le PMO profile nge-Wi-Fi yasesikoleni ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibuke ama-brochures, ngibuka ama-poster, ama-video clips, ngiwa-download, ngiwabuke. And then siyadiscussa sikhulume. Kube like almost like a debate where if nginga-understandanga into baba ngibuyele kuwena ngizwe ukuthi kanti kunganjani lokho. Izokwazi ukuthi nginikeze i-insight of izinto ama-lectures ethi angawa-discuss emaklasini. Ngazi ukuthi imvelaphi yami iphumaphi konke baba lokho. So by ukuthi ngazi lezi zinto, ngazi okuningi engizokwazi nami ukushare nabangani bami si-generate i-knowledge enkulu which is beyond technical stuff baba.